Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving through Manor Park, and this is the Upper Manor Park Plaza. Now this plaza, there are two, when you speak of the Manor Park Plaza, you have Upper Manor Park Plaza where we are and Lower Manor Park Plaza. Now they're like two, they're connected by the gas station, but each plaza, okay, let's talk about Upper Manor Park Plaza. Now you know, to be okay, so you guys know by now the formula for a successful plaza in Jamaica. So Upper Manor Park Plaza has a supermarket, Select Grocers, and it has food stores. It has Island Grill, it has Domino's, it has Solaris 8, it has Sugar and Spice, which sells the tasty patties, and it's built in a very populated area. So right away you know this plaza is going to do well. And it does extremely well. There is no empty store in this plaza. Now Lower Manor Park Plaza is the exact same thing. They have a supermarket which is high-low. They have KFC, and right then and there KFC alone could draw the crowd to the plaza, but they also have Subway and Burger King. So that plaza does even better than this plaza, because Hilo is it has more branches. It's a bigger supermarket chain. You don't get any bigger than KFC and Burger King. So when you combine, these two plazas do extremely well, and they are off Constant Spring Road, and they're very close to the Manor Park neighborhood, the Stillwell neighborhood, the Orange Grove neighborhood. I mean, probably the most populated parts of St Andrew are around this plaza. There's also Hardware and Lumber, which is a hardware store. Okay, so now we're going to look at Lower Manor Park Plaza. And this gas station is actually, it separates the two plazas. So this gas station is neither in Upper Manor Park Plaza or Lower Manor Park Plaza. It separates them. And I don't know if you guys remember how this gas station used to look before it was renovated, but almost all the gas stations in Kingston, in Jamaica actually, most of them have been renovated. It's just in the country you're going to find the ones that aren't really, that have the old style basically. Alright, so now this is Lower Manor Park Plaza. You have Manor Park Pharmacy. But the big draws are the Hilo, the KFC, and the Burger King. You have a lot of other stores, but the reason why this plaza does so well is because of down here. Straight ahead you see the Hilo, and on the left that's KFC. So right away you know this is a successful plaza. Just follow that simple formula and you're good to go. The only exception to that formula is the plazas in Halfway Tree. They don't really have supermarkets, but they do extremely well because of the population. You have 250,000 people a day. That's like 1/8 of the Jamaican population in that area every day. So that's the only those plazas are the only ones that are an exception to the formula that we have. Some of them in that area have supermarkets, but not all. Like Mall Plaza or Tropical Plaza, they don't have supermarkets, but they have everything else, the population and the food stores. Alright, so straight ahead on the left is Discount Pharmacy, but that is a different property. It's not part of Manor Park Plaza. You can see the fence. So let's continue looking at those stores here now. And both Upper and Lower Manor Park Plaza, they are off Constant Spring Road. And Constant Spring Road has more plazas than any other road in Jamaica. Okay, so now on the left, you're going to see the Subway and the Burger King. And there's also another food place called Desserts. I think it's subsidiary of Burger King. The same people that own Burger King own it, but they sell like ice cream, pastry, but KFC and Burger King are the main draws to this plaza in terms of food. Alright, so that's Manor Park Plaza. Upper and Lower Manor Park Plaza, but people just refer to everything as Manor Park Plaza. And most people actually believe the gas station is a part of the plaza. Alright, so we're going out on Constant Spring Road now. Now, straight across the road where you see that fence, that's where the market used to be. But the market, old time market, Jamaica has evolved past the market thing now. People not going to the market every day to buy their vegetables and those kind of things. They go supermarkets. So the market was torn down and a development was to be built over there. I'm not sure if it's another plaza. I'm not sure what it is. If anybody knows, you can leave a message in the comment section. But persons started to squat over there and set up food stalls, so the government had to quickly put up that fence. It's the government that owns the land. The market was operated by the KSAC. Okay, on the left now is the Constant Spring Golf Club, and on the right is Manor Center. Now, Manor Center doesn't do as well as Manor Park because they don't follow the formula. They don't have a supermarket over there. They had one once, but it didn't do well. It closed down, and they have a food store over there, but in terms of that plaza isn't very popular. Or I shouldn't say that. It's not as popular as the Manor Park Plaza. Okay, on the left now is Pepper Time. It's a jerk chicken place, and when you turn left here, this is the entrance to Immaculate High School. If you turn right, you're going to the tax office. Also, when you turn left, that takes you to the Constant Spring Golf Club. On the left now is the True Value Shopping Center. True Valley Town Center is the official name. Now, that plaza follows the formula and does extremely well. They have a supermarket, they have the food stores, and it's built in a very populated area. So, they follow the formula. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.